In Excel, you can use the Auto Sum button on the Excel ribbon to quickly sum a column or row. Here's how. Select the cell where you want the sum to appear. Click on the Home tab on the ribbon. Locate the editing group. Click on the Auto Sum button. Excel will automatically try to guess the range to sum based on adjacent cells. If the guess is correct, press Enter to apply the sum. If not, adjust the range and press Enter. Alternatively, you can use the formula. Select the range of cells to sum. Click and drag to select the range of cells you want to add together. The cell references will appear in the formula after the opening parenthesis. For example, if you want to sum the numbers in cells A1 to A5, your formula will look like this, equals sum B2 colon B8. Close the parentheses and press Enter. After selecting the range, close the parentheses and press Enter. The sum will be calculated, and the result will be displayed in the selected cell.